Hey guys, welcome to Chris and Edmi's bed.
No.
I'm just no, but anyway, this is our 2020 recap show. We don't have a particular recipe, but we just
Because
wanted
the show's been only 2020.
Yeah, but if the show had been 2019, I wouldn't be recapping 2019. I'd only be recapping 2020 because it's the end of 2020. Anyway, but the show was spawned by obviously what everybody has been impacted by in 2020, which of course is the pandemic, and it's what drove us to, even though we were cooking in the kitchen a bit together anyway, but to make more of a thing about it. And I think that's really what our show was supposed to be about, really getting
Just to
together.
have fun, two people having fun in the kitchen.
Yeah, I think couples sometimes have a hard time finding a place or thing to do to get together other than being the couple, if you will. And everybody has, he likes to watch his football on Sundays and she hates it, or she likes to go to plays and he hates it, or she likes to go shopping for clothes and he doesn't like it, and he likes to watch car show, whatever. You get my point.
Are you talking about us?
No. Well, maybe a little bit. But, sometimes some sacrifices are made here or there. But the point is, we all eat. We all need to sit down and be together at some point in time in a day. And if you get the opportunity to do that at a meal, how about preparing it together?
Exactly. You have to eat anyway, so
Yeah.
might as well do it together and have fun with it.
Have a little cocktail, relax, talk about life, talk about the day. And it's funny because as you cook, you start to learn more about each other too, whether it's your background in certain dishes and things or styles. And you also learn how some people clean and some people don't. But
Then
all different.
For that, you make them do the dishes.
See, there you go. That's why you should always have a dishwasher. But anyway, the point being, that's the point of our show is just that we're going to show some of the fun moments that we had. We're so happy that you came along and supported us over the course of the past year. And hopefully we get to do more and hopefully continue to grow and expand and be a real show. We'll see. But anyway, here's some fun stuff. We'll come back to say goodbye and our thoughts on 2021 after, you have a few laughs. I hope they're laughs. All right, in the light of the fact that everybody's stuck indoors this weekend, we decided to start our first video cooking segment. And
Because we have nothing else to do.
besides cook and drink wine, we'll talk about that in a second. Guess what I'm doing? Yeah, right. Shake it. The real theme of the show, though, is lemon.
It's really refreshing.
That's nice.
Oh,
you could never take enough zest out. You're so zestful.
He's like, I can't open this, and I go, boop.
A little piece of, let's say, London broil left
Came
over.
home drunk. And
Well,
you haven't-
well, we're not talking. How dare you
Never
insinuate
do
that? You sure?
Some lemons give you more juice than others. Try to see.
You interrupted the middle of the story.
Oh, sorry. Continue. You're a light drinker like me. Shut up, I'm seeing you through this one.
Sorry. She wasn't supposed to see that.
So,
I'm
really
freaking
easy.
hungry.
Wait a second. Espérate.
Espérate.
Really easy.
Espérate?
Really easy. Yes.
Espérate.
I just taste that flavor.
What about?
This is not good. I'm not good. Don't give me a drink before we cook.
What about?
Oh my God, just wait a second. So
hungry.
we're gonna start adding what is this?
Cheese.
No, I know it's cheese. It's
Don't worry, I'll edit it.
Well,
I'm not sure we should ever have martinis before we start the show. I hope you enjoyed.
Wait.
Good luck with the drink.
Excuse me,
Oh.
this is your glass.
And it was more full. I was
This
hoping
is
I could
mine.
get more luck. Wish me luck.
Maybe you're turning
Something like that.
We don't count. 'Cause
I'll make it short. Sir Charles is actually, I get to see him once in a while. Probably gonna be.
it's gonna be a test.
It's gonna be back today. We're stuffing our child. What are we?
Pork ground beef, the pork ground beef, the pork ground beef.
It's not pork ground beef. Don't worry. Once again, I'll edit all of that out.
It's like say, and it's called, I love the name, it's called Viejo Feo. It's called Ugly Old Man.
man. Right? Salad time.
So we have a can of beans.
Were you tested it recently?
I was.
No swab.
I hope you cut this from this.
Not bitter. Better.
Expert on tomatoes is speaking. So we put some tomatoes, some red pepper, one tiny garlic.
Keep chatting. I've got more food.
He's offended now. He's offended.
job.
Oh, this is the show. Let's correct her.
Somebody's sensitive.
So we got some. Oh, what are these? Pimentos. It's just like.
It's nice when it tells you on the lid what they are. Nailed it!
Smoked.
Stuffed chayote.
And my beautiful jasmine plant.
Yeah, one of many. Not jasmine plants, one of just many plants in my botanical garden that I now live in.
Beautiful.
With that, buen provecho.
Buen provecho. It's like we're in the tropics.
Very Sunday
The
shishi.
shirt.
Most of this we've tried before. Some of it we haven't. So it's going to be interesting to see how
We'll
this.
see what happens.
this-
But it's going to be quite healthy. Although we're going to put a lot of cheese on it, but it's okay.
Well, they went
So
the
we
healthy.
have-
They went the healthy. I have a fear of drag queens. It just some. There were some buns involved that I didn't plan on being involved.
Joe,
Anyway,
he was-
look how much almond flour we have here. What are we going to do with this almond flour?
Oh,
Do you
we're
have any
gonna
idea?
use
Why
it.
do we have 6
He
ba-
just wants to fight so that he feels like, oh wow, I'm the man of the house.
No. Any
We're gonna use
ideas?
it, we're gonna use
Oh,
it.
you were going to use it. You
This
keep
is
buying
not-
that.
This is not therapy.
Here's the surprise.
Cornflakes.
Cornflakes.
They're not the sugary one. They're the regular
Yes.
one.
I would just do this. Just, then you just kind of go like that, and you go like that.
Okay, who's cooking here?
Hey, this is from Provence, where, by the way, have I mentioned to you, I've been to Provence. Yeah, I've been to
A
Provence.
million times.
In Provence, man, they drink this stuff like
Water?
more than water.
Oh, I had it in Israel. Here we go.
I was there. I wasn't. She was. I was there.
And we do it in every hole. So let me just do
Thank you, mate.
this. My glass is empty. Okay.
You drink too slow.
Make your balls.
My balls were too big. My sausage.
I knew he was gonna
That was
say
too
that.
easy. My sausage balls were too big for this.
So I'm gonna make them a little smaller next time. That's all. Okay. And again. Go up. Don't look at that. That never happened.
Your ball full.
My-
They're ready! We need those sandbags. Wow, we have a lot of meat.
Oops.
Just
could we-
recline, maybe we're ready to eat.
Yes, we're ready to eat.
And we have to eat fast because then it gets cold up here.
And not only that, the wind is going to blow the camera over one more time. But yeah, one more time.
Oh God. Just it's better because then he cleans the floor.
You know, the day you clean the floor, I get really slide here. It's getting sticky already. What was that?
No.
Is that the?
No, that's not gonna
Is that
be
your
the
new?
shot.
Is that your new opening? Oh. Well, let's try that again.
No,
Guess who's cooking today?
you.
Yes, Italiano.
Fine. No, I'm trying just to cheer at somebody because he's not in a very good mood.
It's been a rough day. Welcome to Buen Provecho. Welcome to Buen Provecho.
Why do you
The
have a
mask.
mask?
All right, it's the unmasked edition. I don't know. You hear what I hear?
Some more music.
It's Buen Provecho time. Our theme song is playing. And you know, it was another crappy day today, let's be honest.
Get more like fresh and
Smells fantastic.
because of this baby here.
Ricao? Is that how you say it? Ricao?
Recao.
Recao.
This is called pitorro. Pitorro is actually like a moonshine. This is
Got me some moonshine, woman.
this
This is called Trust Clay Boats.
And of course, the immortal Chucho.
This is Chuchi, the baby Chucho. He's so cute. Oh, I'm in the coast of Italy, just having a
Is that how you want to feel?
That's how I want to feel. That's why I dress up like this.
Well, the real theme is The real theme is. I knew that was going to happen.
Nothing you eat it and it's like you're like, oh, wrapping up comfort.
Is that what you're going to be like later? I can hardly wait for this fish to be done. It's going to. Notice my mouth is closed. I'm not dancing with my mouth open or the overbite. Spin off.
No, that's here, because I want them to see you. No, the tan.
My
no.
pogo.
Some pogo.
I'm just going to.
Lightheaded.
Feel the whole
Poor
lightheaded,
thing.
sorry. If a guy came up to you at a club, when you were single and had these moves, like you probably couldn't resist. You'd be like, oh,
I got-
here's my number.
I-
Somebody here is always watching her girlish figure. That's me. No,
I'm
lastly.
offended.
Oh, you were offended.
I cook. like a pollo guisado, almost.
Pollo
with
guisado?
different- Like pollo guisado.
He was a
It's
great
like
shortstop.
Chicken stew.
Oh.
Guisado.
Guisado. I'm still learning. It's not going to be easy.
Pollo, like
Just a little, not a lot. Oh, that's too much. You know, you're starting to actually learn how to cook by doing this show. It's amazing. I don't know.
I really don't know what to do with him, really.
I don't know what to do with me anymore. Excuse me. You sure you opened this?
So I thought I used it.
Yeah, they're probably here. It has to be broken right there.
Oh, so we never used it.
Gee, brand new gee.
You see?
It's time to go to bed.
thirsty.
I'm so thirsty. I don't know why I can't quench my thirst. I'm so thirsty. Because you've been sucking on a salt cube all day. We're gonna have our therapy session. We'll be
my
back at the
God.
when this is done. And we'll say. You can see we have somebody else singing along with us. Sing it! Come on, Tula.
That's Tula, the new baby of the house.
You hold this. I'll get the baby.
You go get it. She hates sounds, and she hates this thing, so I wonder why.
Okay? Is that so bad?
Hey, that's not bad.
So this was my Christmas present this year. It came early. Under the tree. Well, the family's all together, and before one of them probably tries to jump away, that would
Which
be
will be
Chucho.
soon.
You can see the smoke coming out. We just want to say thank you so much for all of your support in 2020 for Chris and Edmi's Kitchen. You okay, Chucho?
Many blessings and many, many beautiful things to come in this 2021, which we hope it will be so much better and much healthier.
It won't take much to improve on, but we wish you all well. Stay healthy, stay smart.
And this is it.
Bye!
We lost him.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year. Chucho.
What's the matter, Chucho? Yeah, Chucho's gone. It's this one's fault. Right over here. This one over here.
When he sees this tomorrow morning, he's gonna go like, oh no, that's going.
Edit. Cut. Cut.
You're a great dancer.
Oh yeah, I know.